What's up guys, in this video I will share with you how to get started with affiliate marketing and can easily make $100 or even more every single day. Okay, and I will be sharing with you one secret that a lot of people are missing out and due to which they are not making money with affiliate marketing. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also, if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So guys, the one thing, the secret, that's what is the one secret that is stopping everybody from making money with affiliate marketing. And guys, once you are going to start with affiliate marketing and once you are going to make your first $100, it's very easy to scale up, because once you know how to get a sale, you can easily replicate that and can make your first $100, then $1,000, and you can just keep on replicating and can get it and can keep on getting bigger and bigger results. It's much easier than it seems, but once you have to start, you have to put in the effort in the beginning, but after that a lot of the process will be kind of organic, because you already know what things work and how they work and all those things, so you do not have to put a lot of effort. But for the first sale you have to put a lot of effort. Okay, so now guys, what is the one secret that everybody is missing out and due to which they are not making money with affiliate marketing? So guys, the one secret is trust. Everybody is running the Facebook ads, YouTube ads, Google ads. Yeah, that's right, they are really profitable, only then they are running the ad. But one thing they are forgetting is trust. What people are doing, they are just simply, they have found their affiliate link, okay, and then they started driving traffic to their affiliate link. They just post it in the Facebook groups, they just share it on the Twitter, they create YouTube videos. But one thing they are forgetting, one thing, only one thing, they are simply redirecting someone from the social media to directly to the affiliate product. Okay, yeah, they are going to get some of the sale but not a lot of sales. But if they do not even know you, who you are and what are you doing, what the hell are you doing, they knows nothing about you. So will they buy from you? Absolutely, they will hesitate to buy from you. Think about when you are going to buy sport shoes, which brand will you buy? Obviously it's Nike, just because you have trust with them. It's brand. When you are going to build trust with the audience, it will start building the brand. You will be building the brand. That's not just kind of the then whatever you are going to promote, they are going to buy from you. You do not have to do a lot of sales page, kind of do copywriting. But once you have trust, all these things really does not matter a lot. Yeah, all these things matter, but when you are running the Facebook ads from the directly to the affiliate product, yeah, then you have to do a lot of copywriting, persuade them to buy. But if you have trust and you are going to recommend somebody something, okay, then they are going to buy from you. Let's say if you there is an expert, let's say there is an expert in the fitness, okay, so if he is going to you trust him, and if he is going to recommend you something, will you buy? Absolutely. If you trust him, absolutely you are going to buy that product, just because you have trust and you believe that this guy is not going to cheat me. So that's what you need to do. You need to build the trust. Let me share with you how you can apply this with affiliate marketing. Okay, let me just share with you how you can apply this with affiliate marketing. It's going to be not that much hard, but people are just forgetting this one thing. So okay, so this is the social media marketing. I'm sorry, the social media. Okay, and over here this is called the affiliate product. So what people are doing, they are literally doing just a simple thing. They are only doing one simple thing. Okay, they are only doing one simple thing. It's the thing of driving the traffic from here directly to here affiliate page. They do not know who you are. There is no trust, there is no relation, there is nothing that is going to help you to get a sale. Yeah, you are going to get some of the sale, but really comparatively very less. Yeah, you can run even the Facebook ads. Yeah, let's say this is the Facebook. You can even run the Facebook ads from here to here. Yeah, absolutely, that is going to be profitable. but you have to spend much and much more money if you do not have a trust. Let's say if you have a list of 1,000 people, okay, then whatever you are going to recommend them, because you are already providing them value. So the chances are, whenever you are going to provide them something in one or two, when they are going to hit by the product one or two time by you, then they are going to buy it. But if you are going to target somebody on Facebook who do not even know you, then you have to show that thing at least 4 to 5 or even 6 to 7 times, only then you are going to get a sale. But once you have a trust, let's say you are going to run the Facebook ads to those 1,000 email leads that you have, and then in just 1 or 2 shot you can get a sale. But on the other hand, you have to spend say 6 to 7 hit on that. Okay, so in the 6 to 7 hit you have to spend probably more than $4 to $5, and over here it's just going to be $1 or $2. So that's what you can see, the ROI is going to be more than doubled. And also, you know, when there is something like what it is called, word of mouth. Yeah, word of mouth is literally very powerful, guys. When you are being recommended from someone to someone, then absolutely you will start getting much more sale. For example, you have 1,000 leads, okay, and one of the people in the 1,000 leads is going to recommend that this guy really teaches the valuable stuff about the affiliate marketing. So the other guy to whom he has told, he will also start watching his videos. He will start buying his products, because now he believe that this guy is really an expert. He trusts him just because of the word of mouth, and he do not need to provide a lot of reviews and all those stuff, because that is establishing a trust, because those two guys are the friends, okay, and if they are going to recommend somebody, absolutely they're really much deeper trust. Okay, so that is what you need to do. But how you can apply it over here, just wait, guys. It is very easy to apply. You do not even have to do a lot of things. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to simply take this is the social media, whether it can be free traffic or it can be paid traffic, and this is the affiliates product. Okay, this is affiliate product over here. So what you can do in the middle of this, this little page, this is, we can call this a bridge page. Okay, we are going to send the traffic from here to the bridge page. We are going to send the traffic from here to the bridge page. Okay, this is the bridge page, and on the bridge page you have a YouTube video or any kind of video that is going to, it really does not need a YouTube video, but there is something that is introducing you and the product as well. Okay, it is clearing some of the objections. Why should I go with this product? Why should I go with this person who is an affiliate? Okay, so if a video, here is a YouTube video, it will be better, but if it is not, then still it is okay. Okay, so over here is the video. That video is explaining who you are, who is the affiliate, and means by whom they are going to buy. Okay, so and over here this is the product, and they are going to also explain about what is the product all about, and why they should grab the product. And when they are going to tell all these things, that who is this guy, okay, and what is the product all about. So now you are building a relation with the whatever the customer. Okay, so now he knows who you are. Now there is a trust. Even if he is not going to buy this time, the next time you are going to target him, probably there will be 90% more chances that he will buy, because now he know you, now he know who you are, now he also know what the product is all about. His objections are also cleared. That's what I want to say. You simply need to build the trust. Whenever you are going to share something on the Facebook, do not just share when a product, you are going to promote a product. Also share the valuable content as well. Just start sharing valuable content on other social media. People will see you as an authority after some time. Okay, some of my friends have really built a 6-figure business just helping other people on the Facebook. Okay, because that is going to when you are going to help other people on the Facebook or any social media or wherever, so the people will come back to you. They will ask you, do you have a personal coaching and stuff like that. So those things guys really work. I'm also getting literally hundreds of emails every single day. Those are asking, is your personal coaching open? No my friend, it's I only take the 25 clients and when they will be and also there is a waiting list of 100 people, more than 100 people, because I do not accept a waiting list of more than 100 to 100 people. Okay, I do not want to get them make them wait for a very long time. Okay, so when you are going to do all these things, the people will be really started attracting to you. They will see you as an authority figure, and when you are doing just this a little thing, your conversion are going to increase at least 2 times at least, because now there is somebody introducing what the hell is product all about and all these things. Okay, that is why the conversion is going to increase. And also you can capture their email over here by giving them something for free. Okay, by giving them something for free, and then you can really start promoting them on the back end, and the back end really works very well. Do you know that a lot of the sales online are coming from the affiliate, from the email list? Okay, they are really high, very much targeted. Okay, and over here, so then you can start promoting them on your email list. You can send them sometimes valuable stuff, sometimes something to promote. So that's okay. You are building a relation by sending free stuff, giving them free education, and thereafter if you are going to promote them something, that's not really a bad thing. That's really like helping them. So that's what you can do, and literally doing these simple things can really help you improve your conversions, and people will see you as a brand, as a trust figure, as an authority figure. And people buy from brand, they buy from experts, they buy from authority figure. They do not just buy from anybody else. Okay, so that is what I want to convey to you guys, and I really hope that this video has helped you a lot. Okay, and also if you want to build a successful business of at least $100 per day, then check out the first link in the description, because there I will be teaching you how you can build a successful business of at least $100 per day online. Okay, bye bye, and I will see you in the training.